A common question that we get is, when can I get probation on my federal case? And I think what the asker actually means is, when can I get a non-jail sentence? When you look at the federal sentencing chart, and at least though I hope we can pull it up here, when you look at the federal sentencing chart, you will see there is 4 zones on it. It's Zone A, Zone B, Zone C, and Zone D. If you are in Zone D is straight up not eligible for probation. If you're in Zone A, B, or C, you can get probation, either straight probation or probation in combination with a term of imprisonment. This is called a split sentence. But clients that are in Zone D, even though they're not eligible for probation, they can get what's called post-release supervision. So what the judge could do, if the judge is so inclined, is to say, I sentence you to time served, even if it's the one day or a few hours that you've spent incarcerated waiting to go before the magistrate judge for your initial appearance. And the judge could then say, after time served, you have to do what's called post-release supervision. And post-release supervision functions much like probation, but it's a little different. It's still non-incarceratory. You still have to check in with someone. Someone still supervises you. So where do you need to be on the chart to get a non-jail sentence? It all depends on the judge. Even if the judge can't give you probation, if you're in Zone D, you could still be sentenced to time served followed by post-release supervision. Zones A, B, and C are eligible for probation. So it all depends on where you fall on the chart and ultimately what your guidelines are and what the judge thinks is an appropriate sentence. But if the judge wants to give you no jail time, if the mandatory minimum doesn't exist, if the mandatory minimum is 0, the judge could structure it in a way where you get no jail time. But talk to your lawyer to figure out realistically what are your expectations.